Alright, just picked up the next project and the next will it run, I guess. So I found this on Facebook Marketplace. Never even heard of it till I saw the engine and started looking it up. And this one I believe is from the teens. Some writing on here, 1915, 16, and 17. Don't know how accurate that is. But the motor is free, it does spin, and feels like it has compression. Couple things here. In my research, I found out the distributors are usually made out of pot metal and fall apart, and you don't really find many that are original. Also, this gear housing is supposedly pot metal and falls apart, although it looks okay, but I'm sure if I mess with it, it may not be. There's a part broken off here. You can tell somebody adapted this distributor to it. Let's get where the light's not in the way, because this distributor has a gear on it, so it normally rides on off a camshaft, but somebody ground that down, made it fit here, and did whatever this adapter is. I don't know if it fit easier, they had to modify it, but it looks close to like it belongs here. If any of y'all know what distributor this is, that would be nice to know. Be able to easily get a cap for it. I can't quite make that out. I'm gonna try to, but really hard to see the tag there. I'll mess with it some more and clean it up. The carburetor is there. Right now you just see half of it. Let me grab the other half. The bottom half's here, and there's a couple pieces that I don't have in my hand right now, but bolts up, so it's mostly complete, it seems like. This was just hanging here all loose, and so it wouldn't fall off while I was transporting, and I went ahead and pulled it off. Oop, dropped a piece, but float sounds like it's in there. Okay, just quick look around. From what I could tell, there was a piece that mounted over here that held the fan, and it adjusted the tension of the belt. There's normally a pulley. There is no pulley on the front currently. I'm guessing this thing was originally red, or maybe adapted, or maybe painted at some time. Not sure. This must be a later model because it has electric start. I don't have the band off of that, so don't know who makes a starter yet. I tried to spin it by hand. It does not move very easy when I'm sticking my finger in there, so it could just be gummed up. Got the oil pump here. Line goes off into, I guess, the main bearings. Then you got another line to lube the timing gears. Obviously, spark plugs need to be replaced. On the exhaust manifold here that's built into the block, parts broke off, but not too big a deal. Looks like maybe some original bolts, maybe some not with spacers. But yeah, that's where I reached in trying to turn the starter. So I do need a little bit of work on the bottom here, because it's being set down so many times. This is the drain plug. It got pushed up in there and broke off of the block, or I'm sorry, off the oil pan. Not too big a deal. So yeah, this is it. We're gonna, I don't know, I'm gonna try to do minimal to get this running. Obviously I need to pull the oil pan, clean the carburetor, figure out distributor bits. First step, I guess, is figure out where the distributor came from and go from there. But this might be a two-part will it run. You know, we'll do some exploratory, pull the oil pan off, make sure everything looks okay, see if we can clean the distributor up and carb up. We'll see how it goes, but basically to be continued on this one.